I'm a Picasso. What have we here? Do we have a new design for Mr. Potato Head? No, we just have the coolest, newest Mr. Potato Head there is. This is the Movin Lips Mr. Potato Head by Hasbro. Want to thank Hasbro so much for including this in the swag bag for the TTPM holiday showcase that I went to last month. So I'm so excited to have him. Look, you can try him. I saw this down south in Florida. Not in Florida, when we were in South Carolina in August. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I want this, I want this. And I was so happy to get it. With over 40 phrases and songs, you're never going to hear the same thing twice in one sitting with this Mr. Potato Head. Let's get it out of the package. There are 10 pieces, including 2 sets of lips. I got to see how this works. I'm so amazed right now. The kids are gonna love this for the holiday season, especially with the release of Toy Story 4 now on DVD. You're gonna be able to take Mr. Potato Head home and hear him speaking. You could still mix and mash all of your pieces. So Mr. Potato Head still has his removable parts. There we go. Now his legs are not removable because this is where like the control center is. This is a star, so I'm guessing this is try me mode. And that's off button. So let's keep him off for just 1 second. He has the awesome hat that Mr. Potato Head wears. It also comes with one other facial expression. One other tip, I should say. This is just another fun way to play with Mr. Potato Head, especially with all of these songs. Let's check out the instructions. So let's get things moving. Let's turn to I for full play mode. You could attach a mouth, press the buttons, lips synchronize to wacky songs and phrases. Same mix and match play with a lot more to say. After 15 seconds of inactivity, Mr. Potato Head's moving lips will enter standby mode. To reactivate, press either button. And it takes 3 AA batteries. And right now we have the Try Me batteries in there. So the left side is songs and the right side is phrases. So if you see like this side, the speech bubble with the 3 dots, that's talking. And of course the music is the music button. Simple enough. So we have 2 sets of lips. We have Mr. Potato Head with a mustache. Let's put that over here. Okay, we gotta find it and let's play some music. Oh, gotta turn it on. All right.
My lips are moving. My lips are moving. My lips are moving. I'm a frying tater. My lips are moving. My lips are moving. My lips are moving. I'm a frying tater. My lips are moving. My lips are moving. My lips are moving. I'm a frying tater. Yeah.
His lips are moving, moving.
Hey, pull my finger.
Oh.
No, wait. That comes off.
Oh, oh my gosh, he farted.
Tater's gonna taste. Am I right? Oh, please don't put my nose in my armhole.
Oh
my armpit really stinks.
Oh, so now he's gonna react to how we do things. I mean, he's not gonna do it as I do them, but now he can mix up everything and leave his mouth alone. Oh.
I fell in love with an onion ring once. She always made me cry. It's great to have a friend like you. You complete me.
Look, I'm a Picasso.
I'm great at keeping secrets. Just take my mouth off. You know, I've had a lot of half-baked ideas in my time.
Oh, he's got to turn off now.
Are you trying to butter me up? Hey, I think you missed the spot. Potatoes never tell. Potatoes never tell. Hi-ho, scenario. Hey, your secrets are safe with me, kid. I'm a tater here to play with bits of parts and pieces. Put an ear in my eye hole, my vision sure decreases.
Let's put him back to normal. Oh no.
Potatoes never tell. Potatoes never tell. My lips are moving. The lips on my face go round and round. Round and round. Round and round. The lips on my face go round and round. Hey, kid, don't you have something better to do? I'll talk your ear off. Until you pull my mouth off. You can tell me anything. I'm all ears. Did you know I'm plastic? Hey, at least I'm not on the menu tonight.
It's so funny. Let me just take a look at inside this mouth. We have, it looks like, oh, I thought it was little teeth, but it's not. And we just have like the magnet, and we have like this little area that's going to open and close the mouth.
Oh, hey, it's you again.
I love it. I love that he says something when you attach it. Here, let's see this one. Or hear this one, rather.
Hey there, want a shot? I can talk my own ears off, that's for sure. Are you sure you're two and up? Let's see some ID, kid. So where you from, kid? Me? I got relatives in Idaho.
This is actually for ages 3 and up, which is kind of crazy. However,
So I went to a restaurant, and they wanted to make me a salad. Yeah, I got out of there quick.
he's really, really funny, and I think he's so cute. I just love Mr. Potato Head so much, and I'm so happy he's got some love, and he's got some redesigned features to really, really make him nice and fresh again. I think he's awesome.
I like you, kid. You're my bestest buddy.
You're my bestest buddy. Guys, can you be my best buddy? And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell. If you're watching on IGTV, guys, you gotta double tap, you gotta follow, and you gotta tag your besties in the comments below.
Is this
Oh,
thing on?
yes,
No,
it is.
Seriously, is this thing on?
No. Can we attach both lips? Does that work? No, I don't think so.
When I was young, I got into a little trouble. Had to go underground for a while.
Oh my gosh, guys, so cute. Hasbro, you did it again. Mr. Potato Head is alive and well. You rekindled this amazing, amazing toy and brought it back to life even more. Oh my gosh, I love it. Guys, let me know what you think of...
I need your help to keep talking, right?
Thank you. Let me know what you think of Movin' Lips, Mr. Potato Head in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a spud-tastic day.
This one goes out to all of you star-crossed lovers out there. I'm a tater here to play with bits of parts and peas. Put an ear in my eye, hold my fist, and shorty creatures.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.